Hey everybody, Sherry Wind here, just checking back in. It's Friday morning, the Friday before our first unit exam. So I just wanted to give you a brief video here just to help you anticipate and prepare for the exam. That is on Monday. So on our front page under announcements, this has been here for the last week or so. Again, the exam is on Monday. You will have any time between 7:30 in the morning to 11:30 at night to complete the exam. The exam will be timed, so you'll have an hour and a quarter, which is basically 75 minutes. You're also given a 5-minute grace period, which you're alerted to as you get towards the end to complete the exam. The exam consists of 25 short answer questions. Each question is worth 4 points for a total of 100 points. These are short essay questions. Or rather short answer questions. So what that means is that this is going to require no more than 2 to 4 sentences for each question. I don't want short essays. I don't want paragraphs. I want very clear, concise answers. You could even put them in outline form just to answer the question fully. Depending on how you write, it might take you a little bit more, but the requirement is really answering the question first and doing it in the most succinct way that you can, which again might not require more than 2 or 4 sentences. So the best ways to prepare for this exam is to, I'm just going to go under our content page for a moment, is to certainly consult our unit exam study guide, which has been posted for a while. And in that study guide, you will see various documents, statements, summaries of different aspects of the course that we've so far reviewed. Just waiting for that to open up. It's divided into our 2 chapters that are on this exam, Chapter 1, Chapter 2. And these are the main headings of many things that we've reviewed this semester so far. But this is really your best outline of the main topics I'm going to have you be responsible for the exam. The best way to study is to obviously have done your readings by now, looking at the PowerPoints, which sort of act as the outline, a guide, like a structure for each chapter, and then going through those mini lessons, which again, the purpose of those is to highlight key points, key concepts, more practical ways of looking at the information, sort of making the information come more alive. So those are your best bets to use. So again, the readings, the PowerPoints, those mini lessons, and then following the study guide in terms of preparing. That's all I wanted to share with you today. I'll post my regular Monday video for the week coming up, summarizing the week we've ended, beginning the week we're starting. But I did just want this to focus on the unit exam. I will be checking my email regularly throughout the next few days up until the test, which I usually do. So if you have any specific questions, please email me. It's always the most direct way to chat. Let me know if you have any questions, concerns. And yeah, I hope you do well. Again, use your study guide, use your mini lessons, your PowerPoints, and your readings, and I think you'll all do well. I don't try to trick anyone. I just want to make sure that you understand the material. Thanks everybody for a good week, and please get in touch with me if you have any questions. Bye.